o inga whao i Lepolelei e tandai pe kau e o ngō ue ki whakahoka whatungia. Mahalo pē o e ala whakauhinga pē e kuanga pē pē. Kore whamore more peke matanga ko e angaini si mahuringa ke mau tātāno ai ki he kamai koe. Koea peke he nake ke kua mai pēha a himi kore kasi taisa ke lava mai o ka hokata e kamata e patongia mau.
Whakakata whatongia o te lāpea e te awhini. Kore whamorewara pē ki he whaiwhekau, ki he whaho, o eiki, o tau katoa. Ko lawe i pē oku iai pē tau. Ka ina hene o kaki nau mahino i tau, rea whakatonga. Ka tupe mua ki o whaipe manat me in English, so that our family and our friends that are here with us tonight, can at least feel they are a part. I know, especially being married to Rarotonga, my husband Nako feels like whenever he's at our functions and stuff, he doesn't understand. So to my family, to my Samoan side, I love you, Auntie. And to my Raro side, yeah, I'm gonna do it in English so everyone can understand. My name is Yosiana Sitaisa Pao to Blotu Takau. I'm the eldest daughter of Gebueli Pao to Blotu. I could not have been more proud to be his only daughter. Just a short manat melie for Dad. If he was with us tonight, because Dad, with him everything is supposed to be on time, all the time. Choir practices, good Mama Keresi when it comes to church, any church programs or anything, everything has to be on time. If he was here with us tonight, and me and my brothers being this late, I know Dad would get really angry. So Dad, I'm sorry, but you know, you were always on time. Us kids, we try, but it's just, we always fail. Growing up with Dad, myself and my younger brothers, I don't think I ever recall ever getting a hiding from Dad. Never. His hidings was always his words, all the time. If he was angry or anything like that, he would only show us. But since a week now, since last week Thursday up until now, the love and just the tributes and just, the love that everyone has shared and the number of lives that this man has touched, it's just a blessing as a daughter to see, with his many talents and his gifts, because he had many, with his music background, his conducting skills, but also his handicrafts. So I don't know if most of you know, but Mum, she likes her, her fingers like to make takahoas and hapais, all those, even the whala and stuff. But I'm telling you now, the only reason why it looks good is because of Dad. Mum, she just likes her fingers, but the measurements and everything, it's all Dad. And I think everyone can vouch for that, that Dad did everything good. Now that Dad's gone, I know Mum will try, but it won't look as good. But just for myself, Dad, he was a really humble man. I'm very blessed and privileged that just the amount of love and all the people that are here tonight. Thank you guys so much. But that's just a tribute, just a manat mele for myself is I never got hidings from my dad. His verbal words, that really hit me the most. And just as many gifts, I don't think any of us kids will ever be the same, but I think I'm cut for time. But I love you all, thank you so much. I love you, Dad, thank you. sapata mai mo ni te me lava la ke pue ni whaita. Pia to mawai ai au mo ni hiki atu to pue. Le tangi sisi ia te au. Tere atu me tata i tiki whare maha. Nei kai ke o mo e au kau. O waha mea hau ke te au. Na unonga au, o inga, o e loku na whaita ke pueri. Pia nea wana nau, hangau, te he mai ka te au. Mahana ke mei mata ke poka korotu. Kai, o ko ilo tu funga waka ko kau ki ai. Ko a pe ke o whetau laki pia mai tamai koni. I hangai ngā au e te lau ke whakau kai te pare. Kia ke pueri, pā ama tu pulo. Kai ngā lotu, ko maua ofara ke te mautono ngā whawhonga. O ko ilo ka tamai koni, ka tamai tare ni ti ia. Te ko ilo, o ko fia, o kwate ki i konga ke pueri, o ko mau. Pe o whewhe hau le o, ka ko wha ampe ke o mui mui e ngai ngā wale le ki whai ke pueri. He koe anga fo ke mau tuu, o ko ilo, tahi pe ke whai ahima, whe mau pe hata ki tamu wheta wha ake o tuku afu. O ko anga pe ka ngā roto la pe i tamai ko, ka hiwa ia koe toho atu. Pea, ki taimi ni, o whenga pe ke aha taha whanau whangwhangu ke tamu tunu ta whaaki. O hinga koe pe hata pea taha whanau, whai hiwa nuku a, ka ki toi lea. Ka mau pe hatu lera ta tō taha. Kua mai koe ke pueri. Pea tohu lera hiwa. Ke pueri. Aroa koe. Maha koe ose nia ke toi hua hiwa tu wafu ia hei whare mau koe. Pea leo mo horo a waka futu. Kau kei pesa ke te ape mo leo. Pea o whakamaro rahi ka te kumotor nahi. O whonga e whamiri. O ko ilo. O tamai fo. Na e mole ki wha whonu. Pea, o konga mai koe ki hui. O kune whaakehe kia te au. O whaha conference ki hapai ko pia. Ko ake ha. Ke o aki hapai ki conference. Ki ake hapai ko hapi hapai. Ka ina ko ilo. Tore kere ka tamai ko ni ka ko. Lau kau aki. Ai tamai ko ni ta kere kono to whetine taha ni ke toi. Pea, o maha o whanai kia o wise. Ka te he ko ia ema. O ia koe. Ma wala ni ma whakataha ko kon. I hono. Ia whaai kia ke koe. Maha o whanai ko whakawha. Ka e te e kia te kumotoru tua pe. Ngā i ko ngā whamiri tamai o ke koe ni. Ka te he ke te kuwhai whae. O mo tuka mo tai ka mo lawa mai. Ke tau e whame au hao. Ka tamai ko ni. Ko ki lea lea ko whai. Whai e roto para mo ni ka wanga sisi kai.
Mau si Univerni o anapi no mi ko o tahe na ingoa e ki e family ka papala ki ai ana te rea kune ka hoko e iai pe whana maari e family whaea ke kueri e ato i whana maari ka pe ki e kau hiwa ke nani ha tuturi ke ha kota ke ne whakungai tu motor pai ha mana neri ko rea pe ke he whahiwa e whai ai vai ni fo o ko vai ni fo o e ko hiwa pe ko wha maari ia ni wha o wha loku te ni ko kore wha mora pe ke toki hoko hiwa ko ia he hira e rea ta e kamai reiko ni.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Gabriel Baum Rodney Jones, Duit Beloku. I'd like to say thank you to Gabriel for looking after my dad. And I'd like to thank you, my auntie. She named me after Gabriel, as I'm very proud to be named after him. As I've got a lot of shoes to fill up with in the future. Thank you.
kaha u koia rea le family kama ia ai ko ko pe os pe ko papa pa hok pe ko io os pe ko pa la papa hok la malolo Abraham Teira ulos ilo ko ke me agona tarangi ko tewe ke makrao memory bo no anti ki albi tonga kama ke kueria papa you told me I have to go with you que lava papa afford to fly. O papai que ki kai o pe lava mai ko ni que kau patah mo to e ya kai que o que pueri. Por até que faz igual que tal que riba mo é. Costo go ya tu que faz mari que tá me fa fonga family fa é que pueri. Mal.
Mama.